Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, let's talk to you about what you can do if you are not sending iMessage messages on your iPhone. Don't forget, dear friends, please subscribe to our channel and also put your likes to this video and write comments. So let us get started. If for some reason, unfortunately, you don't have an iMessage being sent, I'm going to show you a few methods of what you can do to solve the problem. First, I recommend that you open your settings. Next, swipe to the very bottom, come to the app. Here, please find the messaging app and select the iMessage section. And you will need to make sure that you have this option enabled at all. If iMessage is enabled, please connect them. Then go back to the settings. And I recommend that you turn on airplane mode for a while, literally for 1 to 2 minutes. This can help you a lot in solving your problem, because during the flight mode you can reboot and update your mobile network, and after that iMessage messages will be sent. Another option is to reboot your device. To do this, you will need to press and hold the top mute button and the shutdown button and press and hold together until you have a screen like this. Now swipe the top button to reboot your iPhone. Alternatively, go to Settings, and then General, swipe down, and just like that, tap the shutdown option. Usually rebooting can help in solving such problems. Dear friends, I really hope the video has helped you. You were able to see how to fix messages that are not being sent on iMessage. Don't forget to please put your likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.